Politicians talk a lot about how Congress should be more like the everyday Americans who sit at their kitchen tables and try to plan their household budgets and crunching the numbers, see what they can and can't afford. But no American would try to balance their family's budget by cutting out money for batteries for hallway smoke detector or putting off a set of new brakes for a family car. And it would be just as reckless for Congress to sacrifice the public's health and safety in the name of fiscal austerity. Yet, this is precisely what our colleagues on the other side of the aisle have proposed. The House Republicans want to slash funding for environmental protection by nearly 1/3, stripping this vital agency of its ability to enforce laws that keep air our children breathe and the water they drink clean. If we really want to reduce the tax burden on hardworking Americans, we ought to make the polluting industries pay to clean up the messes they make. This legislation would reinstate the fee on chemical and oil companies to fund the cleanup of Superfund sites. And I'm pleased that President Obama included polluter pays in his proposed EPA budget. But the House Republicans would rather let polluters off the hook altogether. And I don't know how conscience permits one to say, well, we can't afford clean air, we can't afford clean water. Since it's become law in 1970, the Clean Air Act has protected our health and the environment from dangers of toxic air pollution. In 2010, it prevented more than 160,000 premature deaths and more than 1.7 million child respiratory illnesses. It's fantastic. The Clean Air Act's economic benefits are also clear. When air pollution is severe, health care costs soar and productivity plunges. And businesses know employees who can't breathe are employees who can't work. So gutting the Clean Air Act will do nothing to help our economic recovery and nothing to close our budget deficit.